Today, Tuesday, 18 November, I prepare a nice supper tonight, and I prepare myself for winter in case I lost the electricity. I have that. So last night I did that. It's a bean with vegetable. Now gonna be meat and all this sausage inside together. When they are cooked, everything gonna be cooked. I'm gonna put it here together. So I am ready to start now. I'm gonna make you a video after. This is the meat ready to start to be cooked, and this is all the spices. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of this. You know, it's just to make like a kind of humidity to cook easily. It's insano. Gonna be delicious. A little bit more. Yeah. So now, and fire is on. You see? Perfect. So that's winter stuff for security. Well, il est temps de goûter. Il a l'air pas mal bien. Surtout que ça a été fait avec petit feu, à très petit feu, pas fort. Puis j'ai pas goûté encore. Mais je vais goûter. Alors regardez-moi ça. Quel délice. Très petit feu, vous voyez? Très petit, on le voit à peine. Alors maintenant, on va goûter un petit morceau, n'importe quel. Ok. Absolutely delicious. Well, I did it. Now is the other step. Come here, and I put it here. That will be good. Maybe I don't gonna put everything because I want to keep some meat apart. Okay. So let me see. Good meat. You have beef and sausage. Okay. Okay. I think it's enough. I'm gonna put the other one, that one, I'm gonna put it here. You see? I just got that set, beautiful set to put the meat inside. Well, now this other step, you know, you see that? The meat goes in the bottom, everywhere. And make it a nice, beautiful scene, healthy. Oh my God, look at that. Delicious. Meat and bean. And carrot and onion and garlic, basil, coriander, everything, you know. It's a lot. Well, the other meat, I'm gonna put it in the side to make another kind of combination, you know. Perfect. So I'm gonna put this in a few minutes in the oven here, the stove, I mean, to reheat a bit, to start to eat that. Je t'aime, je pense à toi. Child, blood ties always alive. Cœur d'acier. Point d'acier.